office was started 4 years ago. We aim to, build up a new system that is able to help the city government to adapt new solution, new technology. And in the past about 3 and 4 months during the pandemic, COVID-19 situation actually worked very well because, based on this mechanism, this system, we can act very rapidly, very quickly to, deal with lots of situations we never imagined before. So we're very lucky we actually started preparing this system about 4 years ago. So now, we have a very nice mechanism to help us to fight the COVID-19 situations. So as you can see, in the past 4 years, actually, we already tested more than 200 proof of concept projects. That's all kind of projects to helping the city to fix the problem of city and trying to improve the service for the citizens. This is one of the examples what exactly we do in the past 2 months. I will give you more example later. That's one of the solution we, as we know that the pandemic situation is quite, difficult. About 1 and 2 months ago. So we actually need some ICT tools to help us to monitoring the people who have infected of the COVID-19. So, the city government work with the private sector to propose this kind of health status report apps in very, very short times, because with help of this smart city systems. So this is one of the solution we show how exactly we can monitor the citizens who have infect of the COVID-19. And also this slide I just want to show. Actually, we do lots of city intercity POC also in the past, and as lots of the previous speaker mentioned, actually we're looking forward to have more cooperation between cities and countries. So in the past 4 years, we also have some experience to work with other cities. As you can see in the middle, that's a bridge structure detection project that we work with a French company who provide the building structure detecting solutions for us, and we're using in the bridge detections. So we also help the city to figure out to find out all kind of solutions to fight the pandemic. There's a case about a mask vending machine solutions. That's a real name system that means we help Taipei City to build up a very useful rationing system to be able to manage and deliver the critical resource for the pandemic, for example, mask. So we also work with the private company, private sector, and build up this system in very short periods. It's actually it took about 1 month to build a whole system and also put this system to test in our in 3 of the Taipei public place to serve to the citizens. And also there's another case that I would think is also very useful for the pandemic situation. As we know, during the pandemic, actually it's not very safe to take the public transportation during that time. So in that time, during that time, city government and also the central government encourage people to work from home, and so only very few people they will take the public transportation to their office, because it's very easy to get infected during they take the public transportations. And so also during that moment, we the sharing scooter system that we will promote 2 years ago, the business also increased during that time, because people will feel safe if they ride a personal vehicle to travel in the cities, and I think that this kind of solution, they probably not to design for the pandemic, but actually they're very useful during the pandemic situations. So that's also one of the solutions that we were very willing to share, and also to cooperate with other cities. So in Taipei, currently we already have three vendors that include the Wemo, just showing this slide, and also the GoShare, which is the brand by the Gogoro, the very famous electronic scooter providers, and also the iRent. iRent is provided by the Toyota. At least we already have 3 vendors who provide this kind of sharing transportation solutions for the Taipei.